Cooking Company are going to show you how to make Sloppy Joes, which is an Australian cuisine. We're going to show you how to make it with a twist. That's right, Sloppy Joe. What is it, I hear you ask? Well, it's a sandwich consisting of ground meat with tomato sauce and onions and other sauces, but we're going to make a slightly healthier version using bell peppers instead of bread. It's easy to make, quick to bake, and delicious to eat. So let's get started. First of all, you need 6 bell peppers. Scoop out the inside, seeds and all, and then place them in a baking dish. Add 4 tablespoons of olive oil, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Now we're going to bake those at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, get 2 tablespoons of olive oil and fry over 30 grams of red onion in a pan. Add 40 grams of mushroom to that and any other veggies that you think may taste fantastic. And 250 grams of meat. We're using beef, but you can use any mince you like. Lean mince is a great option for less fat, or just choose a different meat altogether. 2 tablespoons of garlic goes into that. And 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 3 teaspoons of Worcester sauce, plus 100 millilitres of beef stock, or whatever stock to go with the meat that you're using. Turkey mince is a very healthy option and super high in protein. You could even do a vegetarian version. Now get 300 grams of cheddar cheese and pour on 250 millilitres of hot cream, letting the cheese melt away. Stir it all together to form a lovely sauce. Now our roasted bell peppers are ready, we're going to spoon in our cooked meat and pour on the melted cheddar cheese sauce. Wow, almost as good as tacos! Cover as much of the pepper as you can and stick it back in the oven at 250 degrees for just 5 minutes to let the cheese bubble away. And there you have it! A delicious dish, ready in less than 1 hour, and pretty healthy too, don't you think? Well, I say, this is making me awfully hungry. Served with chips or salad. How healthy are you?